What's going on everyone, my name is Victor and today I'm back with another Adobe Premiere tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you how to color your videos like the Netflix TV show Outer Banks. Not only will I be teaching you how to achieve this look, but I'll also be providing you a free LUT that I made based on this look called Treasure Hunt. And you can find that link in the description. Alright, open up your footage in Adobe Premiere and the first thing you're going to want to do is create an adjustment layer. So you go to New Item, Adjustment Layer, and then drag that over the top of all of your clips. And now you're going to search for the effect called Lumetri Color and drag and drop that onto your adjustment layer. After you've color corrected your footage, then you can grade it. So when you watch the Outer Banks TV show, you can see that they use a lot of yellow and orange in the highlights and midtones. And I can tell they're not just boosting the temperature because when you look at things like the clouds, things that should be white or gray or anything like that, they're always yellow and orange. So that's what we're going to need to do to achieve the same look. So with that being said, you're going to click the drop down arrow on color wheels and match, and then we're going to boost up the yellows and oranges in the midtones and highlights, but more so in the highlights than in the midtones. Now, as I was doing this, I started to notice that my footage was starting to take on a green tint as well. So I countered that with a little bit of magenta tint to make sure that it's in a nice middle ground. And as you're coloring this, you'll probably have to continue to make adjustments to things that you've already moved, like the midtones and highlights. So I did that where I saw fit too. But the basic principles still apply of adding the orangish yellow to the midtones and highlights. I then bumped up my saturation to 110 and then the vibrance to 50. After doing that, I had a look that I was happy with. So now it's time to see if I can plug and play it onto a bunch of other clips. So I click on my Lumetri Color that's on the adjustment layer for that clip, Command C, that will copy it, and now make a cut on that adjustment layer where your clip ends and the next one begins, and then you can paste that Lumetri Color onto that and go ahead and get rid of the old one that we already had on there because we didn't have cuts in the beginning. Now, as soon as I pasted it onto this clip, I can immediately tell that the saturation and vibrance was too much for me, so I lowered those things. But that's the thing, if you have a good LUT, you should only have to make minor adjustments to make it fit your new scenes. For example, when I pasted that LUT onto this sunset shot of these palm trees, I wanted to make the clouds less red and more orange. So what I did was go to the curves tab and then in the hue versus hue section, use that color dropper to select the color of the clouds, and then it'll give you a couple points. And I make a couple extra points just so it's not going to adjust all these other colors that I don't want moving. And then I just make a slight adjustment to that red to make it more orange, and then it's perfect. And then here I also used it on some shots in New York City because I wanted to show you that you can use it on more than just beach scenes. And all I did here was just boost the temperature and the saturation. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something and you enjoy that free LUT. If you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe to this channel. I'm constantly putting out new tutorials, vlogs, podcasts, all of that. It's a good time. You won't regret it. All right, and with that, I'll see you in the next one.